Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one, we're taking a look at the Whop website. I'll be explaining to you guys essentially how can you create your free account to start using the application and start making money, as they say. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you'll open up Whop on your web browser. Simply go to whop.com and you'll be redirected to this page. Now, right off the bat on the right hand side, you'll see that there is a sign up button. So click on that button and now you'll be needed to type in your email. Once you type in your email, you'll click continue, or you can simply continue with one of these options. Now, this is for sign in. If you want to create your new account, down here, click on create an account and then type in your email. So once you do so, click on continue. Now you'll get a verification code sent to your email, so enter it below to complete the verification. And there you go. Now you'll create your name under your Whop account and then click on next. You can pick your username and then click on next again. Now you'll upload an image for your profile picture or simply choose an avatar to use, and that will be your avatar for the next days. Of course, you can change this always in the settings. Click on save. You can join with Whop some of the applications if you want. If not, simply click on join right here, and then you can proceed and click on next. And there you go. Welcome to Whop. Now you have successfully created your first account. You can see all of the posts and all of the Whops to discover on the left hand side. You can see your profile down here, and that would be it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.